inch square, correct? These are in inches measurement, correct? Okay, let's look at the area. Go to your table, find the area for the C10.
4.48.
4.48. Everybody agrees on that?
Yeah.
Element B is the L. Go to the L, 5 times the 3 times 0.1 half. You will find the area is
3.5.
this is, I will give it
Yeah, no, calculate that.
this one here, I will put it as 20. And this height here, I will put it as 4. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you got 80.
So the area is a 20 times 4 equal 80. Correct? Go to the W. W, give me the area for 16.
16.8.
How much?
16.8.
16.8. Total area, please. This is the summation when we do totals. Dealing with such a thing is supposed to be faster because you don't need much to calculate.
105.
Reading the stuff from the
I got 105.03. Yeah, 105.03.
105.3.
Yeah,
Ix prime. Table, Ix prime. Go for this channel and read for me what is the moment of inertia for this element at its own center of gravity for the C channel. 57.6.
67.3.
Everybody agrees on that? Moment of inertia for the L channel, that is 5 times the 3 at its own center of gravity is going to be
9.43.
4.3. Next, this is inch to the power of 4. Next, the plate. The plate. Moment of inertia, 20 times 4 cubed over 12.
106.6666.
106.7. 67. Good. 106.67. Next, go to the table and find this for me, please. 7.58.
No, 758. 700.
Add them together, please.
So wait a minute, let's say if your I-beam was rotated 90 degrees, would the 57 and the 16 switch in your formula? And your W there?
If I switch it,
Yeah, if you rotate that 90 degrees,
yeah,
wouldn't it be W 57 times 16 then?
no. This is W16, and now you want to put it,
Take the IY.
Yeah, you just use IY, IX, and
like this.
Yeah.
This is the same beam. This is 57 pounds per foot. So if you go with the torch, cut 1 foot and put it on the
Oh, okay.
head, you get 57. It doesn't matter what shape you put it. But now the IX is this one, the IY is this one. If it was like this, I would use IY in here.
Okay, that's what I was remembering.
Okay, so what is the total here?
It's 941.
How much?
941.4.
Distances on Y. I will put the Y up here, not down, in inches. Give me distances on Y. Look here. This is center of gravity. I can tell that this is 5.
So you got 9.
This is 10.
Yeah.
So this is 5, and I have another 4 in here.
So you got 9.
That is 9. If you go read it from your book, you'll find it same thing or maybe a little bit different. Everybody agrees on 9 here. The L channel, this center of gravity is somewhere in here. The book is going to give you this distance here,
It's 1.74.
1.74, correct? 1.74 plus 4, 574. Correct? Next one. The D is 2. This is 16, then I have negative 8. Everybody agrees on that? Negative 8.
But you're just gonna get squared anyways.
AD squared. AD squared. 448 times 9 squared.
362.9.
362.9. 375 times 574 squared.
123.6.
80 times 2 squared.
320.
Yeah.
320.
320.
And 16.8 times 8 squared. I'm not going to write it as negative.
1,075.
Where'd the 5.74 come from for the dy of element B?
This one here,
Yeah.
Look on the chart.
the angle in your table is giving center of gravity of it from 174. Did you get the answer? And then you add it to 4 because you are measuring from this axis here. And the last one, what is the answer?
1,075.2.
0.2. Total here,
1881.5.
how much?
1881.5.
18.
1881.
18081.
No zero. No zero. Yeah, just that.
1881.
.7.
So you got no glasses.
The age, guys, not only the eyes, but it's awesome. Okay. Let's go to I, Y prime. Each one for its own center of gravity. First one, go to your table. For A is C10. What is the IY giving?
2.27.
How much?
2.27.
2.27. Next one, the B. What is the Y for it? 2 point. Okay. The following one is going to be 4 times the 20 cubed over 12.
Two 666.6666.
266.67, good.
Yeah. 2,666.
Okay, 2,666. The last one is in your table, give me a number.
43.1.
43.1, add them together. To 3,000.
We have to add something to B,
What's that?
on B.
Ah, you don't need to add them together.
No, on B, don't we have to add something to it?
On B,
Yeah.
this is the moment of inertia at this angle.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And its
Okay,
own
never mind.
center of gravity.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's look now at the distances. D on X direction in inches. D. This distance is given in your book. This is the distance I'm looking for. What is that?
0.634.
Point 634.
That's the right one.
Looks like
Yeah.
Now, go to your table and give me what is this, guys. This is giving in your table.
0.746.
0.746.
46.
What is the distance that I'm looking for now?
20 minus that.
20 minus 0.74. $19.23. Correct?
25.
Yeah.
25? Okay. Distance for this plate
10.
is 10. Distance for that
10.
is 10. Agree? It's sitting in the middle. AD squared. AD squared. The area 448.634 square.
1.8. 1.8.
1.8. Next one, 3.75 255 square.
1390.
13 point.
1390.
Okay. The area here is 80 times 10 square.
Shouldn't we multiply it by
What's that?
distance?
8,000. Right.
Shouldn't we multiply by the distance, not IY? But AD squared?
Y.
So like for
For this,
for
so for
B, it should be 3.75 times 19.25 squared, not 2.5.
375
Yeah.
Times 19.25 squared.
1925. Thank you. 1925 square. Give me now the answer.
It is 1390.
13,
It's not 13 point. It's 1,390.
1390. Good. This is 100 times 8 is 8,000. And this is 16.8 times 10 square. 1680. Total? $11,072.
72.
IX total, measure that IX is going to be the IX prime 941. Let me do it somewhere here. IX is going to be summation of 941.4 plus AD square 1881.7. The IY is going to be sum of IY prime Give me a total here, please, for I, Y,
Two thousand seven hundred.
How much?
2,714.6.
plus AD squared 11072. Give me the total, please.
I got 2,823.
How much?
2,823.
Okay,
And 13,786.6.
86.6. Everybody, are we doing well? Everybody understands the principles of this. Let's write the radius of gyration Rx square root of 2823 over the area. Total area 105.3. Ry square root of 13786.6 over 5.3.
I got 5.18.
5.18.
And 11.45.
11.46.
46.
Is this clear? Now, if we place any of these different, so we are done with our reflection. If I place this 3-channel like this, you write down the IY for IX, correct? You take the measurements on X on Y opposite, because the book gives you the measurements from this position. So if I look at Y, I will take this position, correct? If I go to this beam, place it like this, same things, everything is the same, except that you are going to read here the X for the Y. Is this clear? So this is the only trick under this. Something will be flipped.
Wait, can you explain that one more time?
Look at your table for this, or for this. This is distance to the center of gravity is getting like this. Read it, what you got there. Give me a number.
For that C10, that is 0.634. I'm not reading the right one.
0.634, correct? If I flip it now, I sat down, then this distance is 0.634. Agree? That's all. If I read for IX from the table, IX prime from the table was 67. Then this 67, I will put it here.
Oh, okay, so the high.
Okay? You flipped X and Y. Now, okay. This is used to be the Y. Now this is the Y, if you want, and this is the X. Whatever is, deal with it like this, and whatever you need there, you need to flip it. It means everything on the table needs to be flipped.
So you just switch the X's, Y, and X.
Yes, just like you flip it like this. This is the XY. They got this, so everything you need now from X apply to Y. Is this clear? Check your head again. You don't need somebody to cut your fingers on Monday when you get the same mistake that you shake your head for today. Okay, questions? Any question?
Wednesday's review, right?
Wednesday, we are going to do a review. I will put here some of the previous tests and what to focus on, what questions, or what to expect.
And then you said, what focus is to go to the exam?